shaking.
Shut her down. Run diagnostics on all primary systems. We're never gonna get this hunk of junk in the air.
It's the butt of the Falcon.
The butt of the Falcon?
Yeah, that's its rear end right there.
Oh my god. You see how there's no little zigzags like Indiana Jones Adventure where you like literally zigzag every 3 feet? This is like queue areas.
So awesome.
Before, if you see the ship, then you count. Okay. You know exactly what you get yourself into.
Knows what I'm getting myself into. What? It looks like steampunk retro architecture. It kind of does to me. I don't know why.
Is it the line for the cantina?
My stinking
I think
gosh.
that's just people like in line to take pictures around the Falcon in areas.
Technically, we're in lines of pictures too.
I've never been on this, and I don't know what it's like, but I'm freaking out on the inside.
I think we can go.
Oh, you guys have already seen this. We just went through a small doorway. Over there is the Falcon. And this is what's inside.
Okay. And let's ignore the fact that Hondo Ohnaca could hire any one of the hundreds of applicants all around us to replace you. Got it. But even if we forget all of that, you want to
Just like Star Tours, but beefed up.
place yourself. Yeah. Okay. Well, in all the cycles I've been here, the only one Hondo Ohnaca has ever promoted is Hondo Ohnaca. Is your name Hondo Ohnaca? No.
Try not to let my brain explode. They even got the wiring. Hot wire. Greetings. Sorry, trying to talk in a spaceman voice. Hey, that's my luggage. I'm not gonna get that back, am I? Sorry, guys.
Combustion chamber. It's not cooling down, people. This is bad. And this is what happens before everything goes through. What happened to the automatic coolant? Maybe it wasn't such a good idea to run the new flight crews right past the engine repair site, huh? To guard. Checking in. What do you need? Nothing much. Checking in with you, guard. You need anything? No. In fact, if I could get back to work, I'd appreciate it. Yeah, if you could get back to work, everyone would appreciate it. Thanks, guard. Wow.
I have no idea what this thing is. I mean, it looks like some kind of engine or something. I don't know. They're fiddling with the controls. Who? Now I.
Fueling initiated at 80%. Let's get that off at half. I don't want this whole place blowing up and damaging Hondo's precious cargo. Wait around. Don't open it, guard. I'm telling you. Just get back to work. Power system and everyone can hear you. This is an oxidizer.
Hey, look out there. There's Big Thunder. Look at all the people. And look, out there is the Fantasyland Theater. There's a lot of stuff you can see, but you need to crouch down in order to see it. So we just came in from the lookout rooms back there, and now we're in this sort of giant station for something. And those pictures hint at what's going on.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Shipton. Well, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this, this is the group I've been waiting for, yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. I believe you have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaca, and this is Ohnaca Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. For some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No. The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind.
There's a gangplank, and I don't know where it leads. Look at this. I got pilot. What the heckling heck? They don't do anything. I won't press it. Huh. It's so cool in here.
Listen for them to call the white group.
I'm a pilot. It's the famous checkerboard table.
White guys.
You didn't see it a few seconds ago, but there was a
Flight crew, right this way. Come on in. Hondo's in the ship, ready to go. Pilots to the front, gunners in the middle, engineers in the back.
Whoa.
Okay.
We just got off of the Falcon and there was multiple damage. I was an epic pilot though. Anyway, there's over 2,000 buttons in that thing and I only pressed 5. I hope we don't have to pay too much money for the damage.
Actually, you already paid for it. You see, when you rode the ride, you earned credits. And then when you crashed the ship, depending on how much you owed for the damages, they already took it out.
Oh, okay.
What? Yeah, I didn't even notice you. I didn't notice you though.
Back into the land.
That was cool. I'm so
Oh, my eyes are burning. And it's boiling hot now.
Isn't it fun though? Like you just like, you don't know what's gonna happen, and you don't know like how it's gonna work, and you know that's the only thing about the ride though is like they don't really tell you how the ride works, but it's super easy.
Sorry about that. Thoughts on the Millennium Falcon ride? It is incredible. Let's just get involved in this.
It's a fun ride. I love it.
He was a gunner and he shot down anything that moves.
You know, that's what you do. You don't let anything survive. Nothing lives.
Me, on the other hand, I was the left pilot and Chris was the right pilot. And I was in charge of doing this while Chris was in charge of doing this.
Yeah.
In a Star Wars kind of way, it's a billion times a billion in that ride. And overall, I highly recommend it. Just make sure you get here early in order to experience it so that you can be the first on it. And I think the cast members saw that I was doing this. Pilot, because I really wanted to be a pilot. And so she gave me a pilot's little card, I guess. We didn't get a picture at the circle chess table though, but we'll get it next time. And I will video this ride eventually, as soon as I learn how to drive that stinking thing over there. So this area is the marketplace, right?
Yes. So this area is the market. Well, okay. Well, we're not quite in the marketplace yet.
Big Thunder.
Actually, the marketplace is to the right, but that is Big Thunder over there. So this place on our left, there's a little line for it, but that's Doc Ondar's House of Antiquities. You can get extra kyber crystals for your lightsabers there. On our right is a seating area for the Docking Bay 7. It also shares seating with the Ronto Roasters. We're about to go into Ronto Roasters right now. As you can see, it's a really huge building. Yeah. The droid is turning a bunch of spits, all being fired by a pod racer.
Oh, there's the marketplace.
Some pardons?
Yes, this thing is loud. Now that is one giant barbecue.
Fantastic.
So I got this, which is the Ronto wrap, which looks like a glorified taco dog. And so far, as you can see, it's got a bunch of different stuff in it, and I love it. Oh, hang on, I need my camera stand. So out there is Critter Country, and a little bit farther back is where we came in by the Hungry Bear. And then this is the marketplace where you can buy a bunch of different merchandise like toys and stuff like that. There was a pet shop over there with sort of cute items. A really cool thing about all these water fountains that they have is that they have filtered water stations around here. You can probably see it here. So there's a filtered water bottle station, and there was one in the Millennium Falcon show building, at least at the exit. And over here is just a giant marketplace.